It's study time of science. So let's start today's topic. Today our topic is animal world. Students, it is revision video. In previous video, I explained you about animal world in detail. Today we will summarize chapter 7 animal world. Students, you know animal found everywhere. They are found in air, they are found on land, they are found in water, they are found on mountains. It means they are found everywhere. वो हर एक जगह मिलते हैं. According their living habitat, on the base of their habitat, we classified them into 5 groups. These 5 groups are aquatic animals, terrestrial animals, amphibians, arboreals, and aerial animals. First of all, aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. वे जीव जो कि पानी में रहते हैं उनको aquatic animals कहते हैं. For examples, crab, fish, dolphin, whale, all are the example of aquatic animals. Then terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called land animals or terrestrial animals. For example, cow, buffalo, goat, elephant, sheep that are living in your surrounding. These all are the example of terrestrial animals. Then amphibians. Animals that live on both in water or on land are called amphibians. Examples of amphibians are salamander, turtle, tortoise, frog. All are the example of amphibians. They live on both in water as well as on land. Arboreal animals. Animals that spend their most of time on trees are called arboreal animals. For example, koala, squirrel, monkey. These animals spend their most of time on trees, so they are known as arboreal animals. Then aerial animals. Animals that spend their most of time in air are called aerial animals. For example, vulture, eagle, kite, sparrow. They spend their most of time in air, so they are known as aerial animals. Yes, students, what is habitat? According their habitat, we group them, we classified them into 5 groups. I explained you just now. What is habitat? A place or an area where animals lives naturally is called its habitat. वो जगह जहाँ पर कि एनिमल्स नेचुरली क्या करते हैं, रहते हैं, बॉर्न करते हैं, दे सर्वाइव देयर लाइफ, इज नोन एज its habitat. A place or an area where animals lives naturally is called its habitat. Different types of habitat are found on the land. Land पर कई प्रकार के habitats देखने को मिलते हैं. Let's discuss about them. Forest, desert, polar regions, freshwater, oceans. According to your syllabus, we will discuss about these. Forest. A forest is a large area thickly covered with trees and plants. Forest क्या है? एक large area है जो कि thickly किससे covered होता है? Trees और plants से covered होता है. A variety of animals lives in forest because due to availability of water and food. variety of animals are found over there. For example, zebra, giraffe, lion, tiger. So many types of animals are found there. Desert. Then desert. A desert is a dry area, often covered with sand. Deserts क्या है? वो ड्राई एरिया है जो कि मोस्टली टाइम किससे कवर्ड रहता है? सैंड से कवर्ड रहता है, विद लिटिल और नो वेजिटेशन. और क्या तो वेजिटेशन होती नहीं है, होती है तो बहुत कम होती है. इट रिसीव्स वेरी लेस रेनफॉल, और यहाँ पर बहुत ही कम बरसात होती है. Examples of animals that are found in deserts are camel, rattlesnake, ground squirrel, etc. These animals are found in desert. Then next, polar region. Arctic and Antarctic are polar regions. They are covered with snow and are extremely cold. ये पोलर रीजन क्या होता है? दिस एरिया इज मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम इट कवर्ड विथ स्नो एंड एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड, जो कि स्नो से कवर्ड रहता है. एक्सट्रीमली क्या होता है? वहां पे कोल्ड होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आर्टिक एंड एंटार्क्टिक एरिया, दिस कम्स इन पोलर रीजन एरियाज. पोलर बियर, पेंगुइन, सील, वोल्रस, etc. animals are found in this region. Then next, fresh water. Rivers, lakes, ponds are the example of fresh water bodies. It means fresh water found in these bodies. Fish, frog, salamander, toad, duck, swan, etc. animals live in fresh water. It means they live in fresh water like rivers, lakes and ponds. Then next is ocean. An ocean is a large body of saline water. Ocean क्या है? Large body है किसकी? Saline water की. It means खारे पानी की बहुत बड़ी बॉडी है. इट इज द लार्जेस्ट हैबिटेट ऑफ द एनिमल्स, और एनिमल्स ऑन द अर्थ. और ये अर्थ के ऊपर एनिमल्स का बहुत बड़ा हैबिटेट है. इट मीन्स मैनी एनिमल्स लिव इन ओशियंस, लिव इन सलाइन वाटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल whale, dolphin, octopus, seahorse, jellyfish, octopus, etc. live in oceans. Then we will discuss about body covering of animals. Different types of animals have different types of body covering according their habitat. For example, different types of body covering are cuticle, scales, shell, feathers, fur and wool. These are the different types of body coverings of animals. Once again, body covering of animals are cuticle, scales, shell, feathers, fur and wool. Just I explained you different types of animals have different types of body covering. Cuticle. Bodies of insects like beetle, ant and grasshopper are covered with hard cuticle. It means hard cuticle protect them in their surrounding. These animals have hard covering that is known as cuticle. Then scales. Bodies of reptiles and fish are covered with scales. Reptiles like crocodile, lizard and snake have horny scales on their body to prevent water loss. वाटर लॉस नहीं होने देती है। फिश हैव ओवरलैपिंग स्केल्स टू प्रिवेंट द एंट्री ऑफ वाटर इन द बॉडी। और फिशेस में क्या होती है, स्केल्स की ओवरलैपिंग होती है जो कि बॉडी में वाटर की एंट्री को क्या करता है, प्रिवेंट करती है। देन सेल एनिमल्स, नेक्स्ट इज सेल। एनिमल्स लाइक tortoise, turtle and snail have a hard outer covering called shell. Animals like tortoise, turtle and snail have hard outer covering that is called shell. It protects the soft body of the animals when these animals sense danger. और जैसे क्या करते हैं, ये इनकी बॉडी कवरिंग है जो कि सेल हार्ड कवरिंग होती है, जो कि जब भी डेंजर फील करते हैं तो ये अपने आप को अपनी हार्ड सेल के अंदर क्या कर लेते हैं, ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, अपने हार्ड सेल के अंदर ले लेते हैं। इस तरीके से वो अपने डेंजर से क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, अपने एनिमीज से अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। देन नेक्स्ट इज feathers. Some animals, most of birds have feathers on their bodies. Bodies of birds are covered with feathers. Birds की बॉडी क्या होती है, feather से covered होती है। Feathers keep them warm and help them to fly. और ये feathers क्या करते हैं, उनको गर्म रखते हैं और साथ में उनको उड़ने में, फ्लाई करने में हेल्प करते हैं। Then next, fur. Some animals that live in polar regions, they have fur on their body. It means they have covering of fur on their body. जो कि पोलर रीजन्स में एनिमल्स रहते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, अपने बॉडी पर फर की कवरिंग रखते हैं। इट मीन्स दे हैव थिक कवरिंग ऑफ फर that protect them, that keep them warm, that protect them from harsh cold, जो कि उनको harsh cold से protect करती हैं। Like penguin, polar bear, they have thick covering of fur on their body. Then next, wool. Some animals have thick wool covering on their body. That also protect them from harsh cold, जो कि उनको harsh cold से बचाती है। Like sheep. Sheep have thick covering of wool on their body that protect them from harsh cold, जो कि harsh cold से, ठंड से उनको बचाती है। Then next we will discuss about breathing in animals. Breathing in animals. Animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Land animals breathe in oxygen from air and aquatic animals breathe in oxygen from water that is found dissolved in water. Different animals have different organs for breathing like spiracles, gills, moist skin and lungs. These are the different organs that are used for breathing by different types of animals. Insects breathe through air holes called spiracles. Insects breathe through air holes that are present on their body called spiracles. Spiracles lead into a network of air tube called trachea. स्पाइरेकल्स क्या करते हैं, एक बॉडी के अंदर एक नेटवर्क में जाकर क्या करते हैं, खुलते हैं। दैट नेटवर्क इज नोन एज ट्रैकिया। देन नेक्स्ट, गिल्स. मोस्ट ऑफ एनिमल्स दैट लिव इन वाटर दे ब्रीथ थ्रू गिल्स. मोस्टली एनिमल्स जो कि पानी में रहते हैं वो किससे ब्रीथ करते हैं, दे ब्रीथ थ्रू गिल्स. Gills absorb oxygen from the water and give out कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द ब्लड. और गिल्स क्या करते हैं, जो उनके गिल्स में से जो वाटर क्या करता है, पास होता है, उससे उसमें डिजोल्व ऑक्सीजन को क्या करते हैं, एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं और अपने ब्लड से उसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को क्या करते हैं, उसमें रिलीज कर देते हैं. They take in oxygen from water and they give out carbon dioxide. For example, crab, seahorse, fish, prawn, all are the examples of animals that live in water and they breathe through gills. Then next, moist skin. Some animals breathe through moist skin, like frog. When frog lives on land, it breathes through lungs, but when it lives in water, it breathes through moist skin. Some worms, like earthworm, they live in sand. Worms that live in sand, they also breathe through their moist skin. Then next is lungs. Animals that live on land breathe through lungs. Reptiles, birds, mammals, all these breathe through their lungs. In birds, air enters through the hose on the upper beak, that is present on the upper beak. In mammals, air enters through the nose into the lungs, where exchange of gases occur. जहाँ पर कि गैसेस का क्या होता है, एक्सचेंज होता है. बर्ड्स में क्या होता है, एयर किसके थ्रू एंटर करती है, एयर होल्स के थ्रू एंटर करती है, जो कि अपर बीक पर मिलते हैं, होते हैं. और इन मैमल्स में क्या होता है, एयर किसके थ्रू एंटर करती है, नोज के थ्रू एंटर करती है और लंग्स में एंटर करती है, जहां पर कि लंग्स के अंदर एयर का एक्सचेंज होता है. इट मीन्स दे टेक इन ऑक्सीजन एंड गिव आउट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. दिस वे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स ब्रीथ by using different types of breathing organs. Then we will discuss about feeding habits of animals. Animals eat different types of food. They have different types of food. According their feeding habit, we classified them, we grouped them into 3 groups: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores, animals that eat only plants or plants products, are known as herbivores. For example, cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, these are the examples of herbivores. They feed only on the plants. Then carnivores, animals that eat flesh of other animals, are known as carnivores. It means they never eat plant or plant product. They feed only on flesh of other animals. For example, lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard. Omnivores, animals that eat both plants products and flesh of other animals, are known as omnivores. For example, crow, dog, cat, human beings, these are the examples of omnivores. Yes students, then movement in animals. Animals move one place to another place in search of food, air, water, shelter, and to protect from their enemies and harsh weather. Some animals move by their legs, by walking method. Some animals move by swimming methods that live in water. Some animals move by hopping methods. Some animals move by crawling methods. They use different types of methods to move. They move to search shelter